everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video we will discuss about tertiary cell wall. Okay. So in the previous video we had already discussed about the two layer of cell wall. That first one is our primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Okay. Now let's see about tertiary cell wall. It is present only in trachet tracheids of gymnosperm. Okay, so tertiary cell wall is only present in the tracheid of gymnosperm. Okay, it is only present in the tracheid of the gymnosperm. Okay. Let's see second point that it is chemically made up of hemicellulose xylem and lignin. Okay, and it is chemically made up of three things. First one is that hemicellulose, chemically made up of three things. First one is that hemicellulose, xylem and lignin. Okay, so this is all about the tertiary cell wall. Okay, the first one is that it is only present in the trachet of the gymnosperm and it is chemically made up of three things. First one is that hemicellulose, xylem and lignin. Okay. Okay, so this is all about the tertiary cell walls. So I hope you understand about the tertiary cell wall that it is only present in the trachet of the gymnosperm. Okay, and it is made up of it is chemically made up of three things. First one is that hemicellulose, xylem and lignin. Okay, now let's see about the middle lamella. Okay, what is about middle lamella? Now let's see about the middle lamella. Okay. So the first point that it is chemically made up of calcium, pactate, or you can say magnesium pactate. Okay. Magnesium middle amla is chemically made up of three things. Sorry. Chemically made up of calcium pactate, or we can say magnesium pactate. Okay. So with the help of two things, the middle amla is okay. Here calcium act as sand and pactate act as cement. Okay. So both provide rigidity to the middle amla. Okay. Now let's see one more point. It connect two adjacent plants with and middle amla connect to two adjacent plant cell. Okay. Like two has different plant cell. Okay. And this one is another plant cell. Between them, this one is our middle amla. Okay. It helps to attach two cells. Okay. This one is our middle amla. Okay. That present between two cells. Okay, and it helps to connect two cells. Okay, two adjacent plant cells. Okay. So this one is about middle amla, that it is chemically made up of calcium pactate, or we can say magnesium pactate. Okay, calcium pactate or magnesium pactate, and it connect two adjacent plant cell. Okay. See one more point, that it can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme or strong acid or strong base. Okay. So it can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme. Okay, or we can say strong acid or strong base. Okay, and let's see at what point that now let's see another point. That juicy due to dissolution of middle lambda. Okay, so this is our note point that the fruit becomes soft and juicy due to dissolution of middle lambda. Okay, the dissolution of middle lambda become fruit juicy and soft. Okay, this is all about middle lambda. Okay, that it is chemically made up of calcium pactate or magnesium pactate. Okay, and it connect to adjacent plant cell. Okay, it connect to adjacent plant cell. Okay, and it can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme. Okay, this is a type of enzyme, pectinase enzyme, or strong acid or strong base. Okay, with the help of this thing, the middle lambda can be dissolved. Okay, and here is a note point that the fruit becomes soft and juicy with the help of dissolution of middle lambda. Okay. Okay, so I hope you understand this all these things. Okay. Here is a figure of plant cell. Okay. And this one is our middle lambda. Okay. That helps to connect the adjacent cell, plant cell. Okay. And the fruit becomes juicy and soft only due to dissolution of the middle lambda. Okay. And this one is our primary cell wall. So here our secondary cell wall. Okay. And this one is our plasma membrane. Okay. This one is a figure of middle lambda. Okay, that present vitamin 3 cell. Okay. That helps to connect the plant cell. Okay. It helps to connect to adjacent, two or more adjacent plant cell. Okay. This one is known as our middle lambda. Okay. So in this video we had discussed about tertiary cell wall. Okay. That it is only present in structure of the gymnosperm. Okay. And it is chemically made up of three things. First one is our hemicellulose, xylem, and lignin. Okay, this is all about the tertiary cell wall. Okay, and after that we have discussed about the middle lambda. Okay, that it is chemically made up of calcium pactate or magnesium pactate. Okay, and it helps to connect two adjacent plant cells. Okay, this one is our middle lambda, and it can be dissolved with the help of pectinase enzyme or strong acid. Okay, or strong base. Okay, with the help of this thing, middle lambda can be dissolved. Okay. After that, we see a note point that the fruit becomes juicy and soft. Okay, due to only the dissolution of middle lambda. Okay. So I hope you understand all the video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.